Hello guys, welcome to my last episode sa eating contest ng puso. eating contest. Eating contest ng puso at kanang kuan guso. Guso is kuan seaweeds. Yan, guso seaweeds. Kinilaw at saka bangos na lumpia. Yan. Hindi ko I wasn't able to bring a dinner fork and dinner knife or something from the kitchen so that I cannot eat with bare hand because I will make shout out guys. Charot. Ito, nag-play ako I'm still playing with, according to Jeff. Until now, he has ads. So, almost 10 minutes ng ads niya. Para, not only one ads, but I think this is the third one. Okay, God bless Jeff. According to Jeff, that's nice. That's awesome. Okay. So, ang ads niya is si Mang Juan Hans. Okay, let's do it. Shout out tayo ha. Shout out, shout out. Shout out tayo ha. Tapos na, ito tayo kayo na. Yan. Okay, kitang-kita ang ebidensya. So, tapos ito kayo na. Si Kuan lang, si Kual TV sa Saudi ata to. Oh. Shout out. We have also the Nature and Travel. Shout out, ma'am. Kual TV. Ito isa, yan kita. Si ma'am ko si Igorota Capture. Shout out. Tapos ito kayo na. Shout out pa rin natin. Ayan, Days Bird. Tapos ito kayo na. Shout out pa rin. Yung iba. Sa morning kuan tayo, nagko-comment sa umaga. Panggabi kasi ako, may bagong pasok si Jensky Doc. Yan. Anong mukha? Ito, may mukha na. Ayan, may makita ng face ni Jensky Doc TV pala, Doc. Hindi Docs. So, ano ba sa pinakalalim yung morning kuan ba? Viewers. Ito na siguro. Dito tayo mag-umpisa. 3 hours ago, hapon pa to. Okay lang, okay lang. Ito. Strive Academy, shout out. Yan. Mga afternoon warriors yan. Mga hapon mag-vlog. Si Mamski channel. Oh. Shout out Mamski. Ito si Busing DGM Vlog. Hindi ko masyadong ma-pronounce, sorry. Si Zeldin Ha Vlog from Latin American to. Spanish, yan. Tsaka ito naman si Daddy Good. Yan. May-ari yan ng mga guys. Fried chicken store. Yan. Dumami na yung negosyo. Meron siyang 3 to 4 outlets, fried chicken business, and now he has bought a second hand or used house, second hand house from Pag-ibig yata. Okay, so may business siya. So right now he has one huge house for rent. Yan. So fried chicken business and from a house for rent business. So very inspiring yung story ni Daddy Good. Check his vlog, then kita nyo. Kita ko ha? Daddy Goods, yan, Daddy Goods yung business niya. Tingnan nyo. Yun, fried chicken, manukan. Tingnan nyo. Yan, fried chicken business, Daddy Goods. Sana bigyan mo ako ng fried chicken. Joke lang. Ay, joke lang yung Daddy Goods. Yan, ito yung mga vlog niya. Yung vlog niya sa bahay. Ito, siyang bahay na. Victor, na nabiling bahay. Paupahan katas ng fried chicken. Victor sa new house, house for rent niya. Victor sa house for rent niya from the from the revenue or from the revenue of fried chicken business. Yung mga nakukuha niya ng pera o finansya sa Tagalog pa siya. So anyway, shout out Daddy Goods, shout out sana tayong lahat maging businessman. Kagaya ni Daddy Goods, di ba? Masarap yung walang amo. Yung may amo tayo, patay tayo niyan. Gising ng umaga. At tapos, matagal makauwi, topic, puts. Ay, sorry. Puto maya. Kumakain ako ng puto maya. Anyway, saan tayo? Ito, si Shin mo na. Ayan, shout out Ma'am Shin. Ayan, yung bagong niya, Campanilla, Super Trooper. Yan, mga Greatest Love of All, Why I Get Old. Okay, shout out Ma'am. Si pang hindi na shout out yan. Yung bago yung Village Homestay shout out. Yan, bago to. So, go back to tayo. May YT Studio tayo. Doon tayo sa YT Studio kasi nagpi-play to. Yan, Boat and Car Adventure shout out. Yan. Nagpi-play palagi yan. Kasi from Spanish Tapis from Gildazio. Yan. Spanish yan. Magaling yan magburda. Kuya Mads, shout out. Magaling kumanta, Edison Bartol, shout out. Ito, more on meditation, songs to. Meditation songs. Si Gol Sarmar, shout out. Si Picks and Review, magaling yan. Tutorial. Si Tuan Chip. Carlos, shout out Carlos. Yan. Shout out din si Kyung Byung, si Danayan. To my blues, si Lai Don Diso from Japan. So siya, nandun na sa Japan. Yan, si Lai. Ayun, and first day life in Japan, yan. Nandun na sa Japan, guys. Shout out din natin na nag-comment sa kanya. Si Ernesto Gutlay, magaling kumanta to. No? With a beautiful kajuit. No? Iba-iba yung kajuit niya. Mabuti hindi nagalit si Mrs. sa iyo, Ernesto Gutlay. Charot. Sana all may kajuit. Magaling yan, no? Sample. Yan, maganda yung kajuit niya. That's why you go from Michael Learns to Rock and Roll, covered by Ernesto Gutlay and pangalan ba and senyorita pala yung pa so enjoy singing and vlogging. So that's for today, guys. Parang mayroon pa tayong isa